Hello and welcome to Opt for Organic. Hope all of you are safe and sound. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make creamy and mouth-watering hummus and hummus platter at home. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. So first I'll show you how to prepare hummus. Then I'll show you two ways of making hummus platter. And then I'll show you how you can prepare your hummus salad dressing. Shall we begin? To make hummus, we will require overnight soaked chickpeas, also known as Kabuli chana in India. First, boil the overnight soaked chickpeas until they become soft that we can crush them with our fingers. The more softer your chickpeas would be, the more creamier our hummus will become. Strain the excess water and keep it aside as we will be needing this water on later stage. Meanwhile, take a pan and add 1/4 cup of sesame seeds and roast them until fragrant. Let it cool down and then toss them into a mixture grinder. Add approximately 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil and grind them until there is a powdery consistency. Add 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil and grind again until you get a runny consistency like this. It took around 3 to 4 minutes for me. Take 1 cup of boiled chickpeas and add them into a mixing jar. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons tahini. Squeeze half a lemon. Add 7 to 8 garlic pieces. Add 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/4 teaspoon salt or as per your taste. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil and grind them. Grind for almost 2 minutes. You will get this kind of coarse consistency. Add 1/4 cup chickpea water which we kept aside and grind again until you get a creamy consistency. It took around 5 to 6 minutes in the mixture grinder, but if you are making in the food processor, then it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes with fine consistency. So always prefer food processor than mixture grinder to prepare your hummus. Take out hummus into a bowl and make swirls with a spoon like this. In the end, drizzle extra virgin olive oil over it. Sprinkle sumac berry powder. Add few olive pieces. And our homemade super creamy hummus is ready. To make the hummus platter, cut 1 to 2 carrots in slit pieces like these. Cut one cucumber in long slit pieces. If you have red, yellow and green bell pepper, then cut them also in long slit pieces. Take half a cup of broccoli florets and saute them a bit. Assemble your platter with these cut pieces and our homemade hummus platter is ready. If you don't like raw vegetables, then you can also saute these vegetables with a bit of olive oil. Add approximately 1 teaspoon oil into a pan. Add 1 teaspoon finely minced garlic. Once the garlic becomes a little brown in color, add broccoli first and saute for some time. Then add carrots. And in the end, add capsicum and bell pepper slices. Sprinkle some salt and pepper. And add them to your hummus platter. If you wish, you can also make bread sticks. For that, take a bread and cut it into long slits like this. Make sure not to cut them edge to edge. Place these bread pieces into a toaster upside down like this so that the cut edge is down. If you are on a diet and you feel lazy to prepare your meal, then you can also prepare a carrot hummus platter like this. To make hummus salad dressing, take a glass bottle with lid. Add 2 tablespoons hummus, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half a teaspoon finely minced garlic. If you don't like garlic much, then you can skip this step as we have already added garlic in our hummus. Squeeze half a lemon. Sprinkle some Italian seasoning, ground cumin, and chili flakes. Close the lid and shake the bottle until all the ingredients mix well. Drizzle this hummus salad dressing over your greens and your hummus salad is ready. Try making these recipes and don't forget to share your pictures with me. I am eagerly waiting for your feedbacks about these recipes I am sharing with you all. Please like and share this video if you find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for the further updates. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.